Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at a sector and stocks in general that have been shorted in a massive way, and people are very fearful on the sector and stocks in general, which is the retail sector or industry or whatever you want to call it. So, retail stocks have been shorted in a massive way, and like Warren Buffett says, when people are fearful, be greedy, and when people are greedy, be fearful. So, I've done full stock reviews on Nordstrom as well as Revolve, which are some of the best companies, in my opinion, to play off of this fearfulness of this sector and industry. So Nordstrom is the first one that we're going to talk about today. We're going to compare the two and look at which one is the best in my opinion. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. So Nordstrom, short squeeze coming, amazing dividend yield. It has Nordstrom, which is growing, as well as it's making the switch to the online stores and things like that, making the operating costs go down. And in theory, the gross profits and the margins should be a little bit better every single year. So they also have Trunk Club, which is also like Stitch Fix, which collects data to make the best possible experience for that customer, which should bring a positive tone, mood aspect to that business and should attract more customers, as well as data is very valuable and it's a very growing industry as well. So I think that is going to be major for them. And also, while they make that full switch to from their regular stores that are tangible to their online presence, the digital presence, I think that Trunk Club will help them get there because it should keep growing and provide a little bit of revenue for them and things like that. That should really balance out all the fears of Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. And also, they have a lot of different subsidiaries that I think are really amazing. But Trunk Club and Nordstrom Rack are some of the best in my opinion, if I'm pronouncing subsidiaries right. So Nordstrom has just major shorted. It's been shorted a lot. That's one of the major risks you need to look at, as well as if the dividend yield gets cut, it could be bad. Because a lot of people may be investing in it for that reason. Now, both of these companies are undervalued. It just depends on which one is the best overall, because like every single company in this industry or sector is severely undervalued a lot. So, that is something to know because if one is undervalued, it doesn't mean that it's better than the other one that is still undervalued. So we're looking for a well-rounded business that is not just undervalued massively, but also has a lot of different most competitive advantages and all those great things. 4Ms, all those great things. Both of these companies are some of the best plays in my opinion. I feel like Nordstrom is a little bit of a riskier play, but I still don't even believe that it has better rewards than Revolve. Revolve is down 8% today and it's up 3% after hours. I used to set a price target of $30 to $40 since the making of that video, but now my price target is around $50 to $60 because I undervalued the time it takes for, say, Nordstrom or any other of its competitors to switch to the digital world and things like that. Whereas Revolve has already made that switch, their earnings positive, things like that, and so they have had a lot of good things for them. Their profits are positive. So yeah, that is a really great thing for this company. And it doesn't take them time to switch because not in theory, but they are actually, it takes them less money to make money compared to a lot of its competitors like Nordstrom or say Macy's or JCPenney, some company like that. And so that is a really good bullish point because it takes them less money to make more money. Who wouldn't want that? I think that's really amazing and it makes it less undervalued. More undervalued. So I've done a full review on Revolve and Nordstrom if you want to watch those videos I've done on them. They will be linked in the description, as well as if you are a kid, make sure to download the STOCKPILE app and use the STOCKPILE app if you are wanting to invest in the stock market as a beginner or as a kid. Link will be in the description, as well as I've done a full review on the STOCKPILE app. And one more thing I just want to say is that Revolve, another thing that is undervalued about it is the fact that not only does it take them a lot of time to switch to that digital world, it also takes a toll on the management. That management won't be as happy. The working experience shouldn't be as happy because they have more stress to make this company better and to make that switch. So that's all I have for today. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Hopefully you help me get there. Thank you so much.